Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Saji Lotus Hair coming to you with another video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And to my new subscriber, thank you very much for tuning in. Thanks for the subscription, I appreciate that. So let's get started with this video, shall we? So today we're going to be making a swimsuit. It's a bikini, a top and a bottom. So I'm going to show you how to make a pattern and how to make your own swimsuit. Let's go. Yes, so these are the stuff we will be needing to do this project, and we're going to make a pattern from this paper and this underwear. So I choose this one. You can choose whatever one you like. So I cut it off camera just to save some time. So flip it over and you pat it down, and then you're gonna pin it to your paper with some bobby pins. Yes, I'm just gonna pin the bobby pins in to keep it secure to the paper while I mark it out and cut it out. So I'll just like to take this little time while I do that to shout out my daughter Lisa Clark. I'm sure she's tuning in to watch my video, and also Lori Clark. I'm sure she's sitting there with her sister looking at this video all excited. Thanks babies, mommy love you guys. So I'm just marking it out with a light color, and then I'll go over it with a dark color. So I'm just cutting out this pattern, and please guys, you have to use a paper scissors because you don't want to use your fabric scissors cutting this paper. That won't be good. So that's what we have. So if you don't like this style, you can use a more secure style and just do the same thing with another panty. So I'm just repeating the pinning idea. You pin the pattern to your fabric. So you're just gonna pin this. Want to give me some trouble, but I'm gonna show it who is in charge here. Just continue pinning as much as you desire. And you just cut that out. And then this part want to give me so much trouble, but we're gonna work with it. So I'm just labeling the back and the front. Don't really need to, but I just did. And this part is optional. You don't have to do this, but I choose to do it. So if you feel like doing it, go right ahead. Yeah, so that's what's happening. So these I'm just cutting to strip. They're going to be our leg holes, or I should say our panty foot. And I'm working on the top piece of the bikini now. So the measurement for this you're going to be needing, it's the underbust measurement all the way around, and you're going to divide that in two because you only need the front half because the back is going to be all straps. So you're going to need your shoulder measurement also, from your shoulder to your underbust. Yeah, I took a couple inches off just because we don't really need all of that, but it's always safe to cut a bit more than you need. So so I just wanted a low neckline, so that's what I did. Cut off like 2 extra inches. Yeah, so guys, give me a thumbs up if you feel generous today. That's what we should have. So we're going to cut out 2 more strips, and these are going to be our bikini top straps. So just give them a little tug and they'll call into themselves, and it'll be easy for us because we don't have to do anything to them, just run them through our casing. So you're gonna be making 4 casing. You're gonna be making 2 to the side and 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom of your bikini top. So make sure they have enough space that you can run your strap through. Guys, below the breast, like the bust area, you're gonna put elastic there, so it'll give you a nice hole. And then you just finish sewing the rest of it. So make sure you leave space so you make a nice casing at the end, like that. Just put some pinning so it can sew easier, because this fabric can be tricky to work with. So I'm just going to stitch them together so we'll make a longer strap. So give it a double stitch or a couple stitches, how many ever you want to give it. So just make sure you give it enough that it won't come undone, because nobody wants that. That's what it looked like after I run it through the neck. Then I'm running it to the side, and that's it guys for our bikini top. It's finished and it's ready to rack. And these are all the pieces for my bikini bottoms. So I'm just attaching the crotch piece, and as I said before, it's optional, you don't have to do this, but I choose to. And now we're gonna attach the leg hole or the panty foot, however you want to call it. So that's what it should look like after I pinned it all the way around. So I'm just gonna stitch it to themselves. And please don't sew over your bobby pins, because we don't want to break our needle. And that's what it should look like. And now we're going to attach our waistband, but I'm going to do it a bit different. I'm going to stitch it before I attach it. It'll be easier like that, trust me. So that's what it looks like. Yes. So you're going to pin it to your panty or your bikini bottoms. Just straighten it out, make sure everything is lying neat. You can either add your seam on your waistband to the side of your underwear, or you can add it at the back of your underwear. I'm gonna add mine to the center back because that's where I feel comfortable. That's what it should look like after you finish putting in your bobby pins, and then you just want to sew all the way around. Right there, you just sew all the way around. And please remember to take out your bobby pins while you sew. So that's what you should have. So now your underwear is finished, or your bikini bottoms. So you can stay right here and just clip these excess off, and then you're ready to go. Or you can do what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add extra stitches to the legs, so it's gonna act as strengthening and like a little fashion piece. So right where my thumb finger is pointing, I'm gonna add a stitch right there. So that's what it should look like after you finish. So yeah guys, that's me at the beach showing you a clip of what it looked like on. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me and what I do on hair. Thank you. Bye. Love you all. Stay blessed and keep floating.